My Uncle Herb had a salvage yard, and it was cars from the 20s up into the 60s. I mean, we're talking about double stacks of Studebakers, 49 bullet nose Studebakers, rows of them, 55, 6, 7 Chevys. I mean, this is our playground when we were kids, right? So I got notified by the Pull Apart app telling me there was a fresh 2500 series Suburban up in the yard. So we jumped on it. I grabbed my buddy TC. We both got our tool bags, hand cleaner, paper towels, WD-40, everything we needed to yank that engine out. Crossing our fingers, we went after it.
It's up in there and ready to go.
Yep. This is it.
What do you think?
Yep. Done. Let's give it a shot.
And let's just pull it all out together. Manifolds,
Yep.
AC.
You can't plan this stuff.
On there, it's gonna be.
Yep, it's gonna be fun.
Yeah, this is lightweight normally for what Kevin's usually got. Wait, we need to go over a little bit. Right about that.
The fuel lines. Here we go, 6 liter. Woohoo!
So what makes Pull Apart so awesome is that we are a great resource for people to save money on repairs for their cars. So one of the things that we love about our pricing model is the simplified component. It does not matter if it's rare or common, it's the same price.
And that means with just a little work, we've scored a good working 6 liter for $200.
Now, y'all need the entire engine, or you just want to block it in?
Everything that's there.
Everything's attached to it?
Yes, sir.
Well, let me go ahead and get that mark for you. More, little more. Right there.
The reason we went through all of that laying around in the yard, in the gravel for just about an entire day was because of price.